Today we'll solve math exam for primary 6 November. Question number 1, choose the correct answer. The value of the expression 4n minus 5 if n equal to equal. Look at here about steps. What in this example at n equal to? He give us n equal to, in the example, 4 times 2 minus 5. 4 times 2, it will be 8. 8 minus 5, it will be 3. Then the result will be 3. Put here 4 multiplication by the value of n, 2, subtract by 5. The result will be what? 8 minus 5, it will be equal 3. Choose 3. Okay, it's the first question. Number 1, letter A. We have 4n minus 5. If n equal to, then the result will be 4 times 2 minus 5. 4 times 2, it will be 8. 8 minus 5, it will be equal 3. The result will be 3. Choose 3 about question number 1. Okay, letter B. In the equation 4x plus 9 equal y, the independent variable here is what? The independent, it will be x. X will be the independent. Letter B, x we called it independent or input. Letter C, the algebraic expression add 3 to the product of 4 and x. Add 3 to the product 4 and x. 4 and x, it will be 4 by x, product about 4 and x. It's meaning 4x add 2, it's meaning plus. Add 2, 3. Then add 3 to what? To the product of 4 and x. The result will be, choose 5 plus 4x or 4x plus 3. Okay, 4x plus 3. 4x plus 3. Okay, add 3 to the product of 4 and x. It's meaning 4x plus 3. Question letter D. The cube of 6, it will be equal what? 6 power 3. Cube of 6, 6 power 3. Cube of 6, it will be 6 power 3. Choose 6 power 3 here. Last one here. Okay, say choose 6 power 3. 6 power 3. Okay, choose 6 power 3 here. 6 power 3. Question letter E. All of the following are solution of the inequality x less than 0 except what? Except absolute value of negative 4, because the absolute value of negative 4, it will be 4. Okay, except absolute value of negative 4. Choose absolute value of negative 4, because absolute value of negative 4, it will be 4, and absolute value of 4, it will be 4. And 4 will be greater than 0. You want to find where all the following are solution of the inequality x less than 0 except what? Except absolute value of negative 4, because the absolute value of negative 4, it will be 4. It was question number 1. Next question number 2. Complete. Number 2, letter E. 5x plus 1 equal y. The constant here, it will be what? The constant here, it will be 1. 1, we called it the constant. Then, in the paper here, look at with me, 5x plus 1 equal y. 1 here, we called it the constant. The constant here, it will be 1. Write 1 in the space. Okay. Letter P. The order pair 4 and space satisfies the algebraic equation y equal half x, y equal half x plus 1. We have the order first projection 4 and second projection we want to find it. With x equal 4 in this equation, then y will be equal half of the value of x, half 4 plus 1. Half of 4, it will be 2. 2 plus 1, it will be 3. Then the order will be 4 and 3. The order about letter B. Letter C, like terms in the algebraic expression 4x plus 2 plus 3x. The like terms here, it will be 2 and 3. Okay, again 4x plus 2, 3x. Okay, 4x and 3x. We have here 4x and 3x. We called it like terms. 4x and 3x. We called it like terms. Like terms, it's two terms equality in the verbal factor. Verbal factor here, x. Okay, understood? Then 4x and 3x, we called it like terms. Letter D, the verbal expression 2x minus 5, we can write the product of, we have here the product of 2 and x less 5, or we can write the product of 2 and x decreased by 5, or the product of 2 and x less by 5, less 5. Okay, you can cancel this word and write less 5, or you can write 5 less than the product of 2 and x, or 5 less than 2 times x. It was question letter D. Letter E, the smallest solution in the equality k greater than or equal to negative 3, the smallest solution, it will be negative 3. If you want to find the result in the number line, you must write here 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, and negative 3 here to left hand side or right hand side. We have here the sign greater than. Greater than, it's meaning move to right hand side. Then you can write negative 3 to right hand side here to draw the solution, because k is greater than or equal to negative 3. You want to find what the smallest solution of the inequality. The smallest solution about inequality, it will be negative 3, because the solution set, it will be negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, and so on to positive infinity. You won't find the smallest solution here, it will be negative 3. Choose negative, or write here negative 3 about this question. Question number 3, answer the following. Letter E, use the order of operation to find this example in the simplest form. 2 product by 5 plus 6 power 2 subtract 24 divided by 2. It's order operation. Parentheses first, exponent next, multiplication and division in the same step, addition and subtraction from left hand side to right hand side, first come first serve. Then 2 times 5, it will be 10, and 6 power 2, it will be 36. Subtract by 24 divided by 2, it will be 12, and then 10 plus 36 minus 12. First, find the result in this parenthesis here. 36 minus 12, 6 minus 2, it will be 4, and 3 minus 1, it will be 2. Then the result will be 34. Understood? About this example again, 2 times 5 equal 10, 6 power 2, it will be 36, 6 times 6, 36, 24 divided by 2, it will be 12, 36 minus 12, it will be 24, and then 10 plus 24, it will be 34. Okay. Letter B, find 3 solutions for the inequality x less than or equal to negative 1, and represent the number line in the solution. Okay, first we can find 3 number less than or equal to negative 1. It will be negative 1 and negative 2 and negative 3. Then the solution set in the number line, draw the number line and draw the distance between your ruler and pencil. Okay, and write here 0, 1, 2, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, and going to the first number here, negative 1, and drawing the circles here, close circles. It's a point here, determine the point negative 1 and negative 2 and negative 3, and to negative infinity here, and drop line segment here to negative infinity. Okay, It was letter B. Read with me examples again. Here, number 1. Another exam. Question number 1, letter A. Is the value of the expression 4 multiplied by k power 2 minus 3 if k equal 3. We can find the result here. If k equals 3, then the value will be 4 multiplication by 3 power 2 minus 3. Okay, 4 multiplication by 3 power 2, it will be 9 minus 3. Then write 4 times 9 minus 3, it will be 6. 4 times 6 equal 24. Okay, choose 24 about number 1. Understood? Put k equal 3 here, and k power 2, it will be k power 2, 3 power 2, it will be 9. 9 minus 3 equals 6. 4 times 6, 24. Next question, letter B. Space is solution of x less than 2. Where here less than 2, negative 3, less than 2. Here we have negative 2. So negative 3 is less than negative 2. Negative 3. Question letter C. In the equation x equal to y plus 5, the dependent variable here, it will be x. X we called it dependent, and y we called it independent. Question letter D. 7 cubed, its meaning 7 power 3. 7 cubed. Okay, the cube of 7, its meaning 7 power 3. Exponential form. Next question, number 2, complete. Number 1, letter A. If m minus 3 equals 7, then m plus 1 equal what? First, we can find the value of m here. M minus 3 equals 7, then m will be 10, because 10 minus 3 equals 7. You want to find m plus 1, then 10 plus 1, it will be what? 11. The result will be 11. Okay, question letter P. 9 times 9 times 9. How many here? 4s. Okay, then its meaning 9 power 4. Letter C. 4 and space satisfies. Letter C. 4 and space it satisfies the rule y equal 2x plus 3. Put x equals 3, then y equal 2 times the value of x 4 plus 3, then y equal 2 times 4, it will be 8. 8 plus 3, it will be equal 11. The result here will be 11. Then the point will be 4 and 11. Letter D. A number is more than 7 in equality. We can write what? M. Here he give us no more 7. It will be less than or equal to 7. Again, no more than 7, meaning this number less than or equal to 7. Okay, letter E. The algebraic equation 8 more than 9 times r. 8 more than, it's meaning plus, more than 9 times r. Okay, equals z. Again, the algebraic equation 8 more than 9 times r equals z. 8 more than 9r equals z. 8 more than 9r equals z. Okay, 9 times r, it's meaning 9r. It was last question. Okay, next question number 3. Solve the equation. We have 6 plus x equal, we have here 6 plus x equal 12.4. We can cancel 6 by 8. The derivative inverse of 6 will be negative 6 to left hand side and right hand side. Here minus 6 and here minus 6. And then 6 minus 6 equals 0. 0 plus x equals x. To 12.4 subtract by 6 will be 6.4. It's the result about this example. 6.4. Question number 4. Use the order operation to find the result. We have 50 plus 5 multiplication by 2 power 3 minus 7 plus 8. Right, 50 plus 5 times 2 power 3, it will be 8. 8 minus 7 plus 8, right, 50 plus 5 times 8 minus 7, it will be 1. And 50 plus 5 times 1, it will be 5. And 8, the result will be 55 plus 8. 8 plus 5 equals 13. 3 and the carry of 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6. The result will be 63.